This tutorial will explain how to print a PDF without a predefined clear spot color using Fiery Command Workstation. The example we're using contains vector artwork, raster images, live type, and spot colors. With Fiery Command Workstation open, import your job. Either click File, Import Job, or use the Import Job button on the Job Center tab. To import the file, click on Add. Locate your file and click Open. Then click Hold. This will send it to the Held queue where we can specify our fifth color properties. Now select your file in the Held queue. Right-click and select Properties. You can also click the Properties button on the Job Center tab. Once opened, find the Specialty Color tab. This is where we'll apply our fifth color. Make sure Apply Clear Toner to Clear Spot Colors and Selected Objects is chosen. Now because there's no predefined fifth color, we'll have to choose what to highlight. Text will apply any clear toner to live type that hasn't been outlined. Graphics will apply clear toner to any vector graphics in the file, including outline text. Image will apply clear toner to any raster elements in the layout. And spot color will apply clear toner to all spot colors within the layout. Once everything is selected, click OK. Find your file in the Held queue and right-click. Select Process and Hold. This will rip the image and prepare it for printing. Now we're going to double-check and make sure the fifth color is present. We can do that by right-clicking on the file and selecting Fiery Image Viewer. A new window will open up and you'll see the separations on the right panel. If you unclick the CMYK separations, you'll notice the fifth color is the only color present, highlighted in orange. It should be the last color listed in the separations panel. Okay, now once you've confirmed your fifth color is present, select any additional options such as media type, number of copies, finishing options, and you're ready to print.